This is for Chapter 1, Defining Markets. When you finish this chapter, you should be able to know what the three phases are of the buying process, what kind of purchases there are, how do consumers make purchase decisions, and how can marketers use this information. Okay. So what is marketing? Marketing is an exchange of something of value between two parties. Marketing does not occur until someone buys something. If you see something on television or on websites or social media or what have you, but you don't purchase it, the only thing that they accomplished is advertising, not marketing. Customers seek benefits and expect to pay for them. That's why we purchase something. That something has more value than the money or the work that it took to make the money has to us. And the seller seeks profits and offers features that translate to benefits for the purchaser. 4 P's. The 4 P's are product, which is both good and service, or it could be just a service. It's very difficult to find something that's just a good, but something could be just a service. For example, getting your hair cut is just a service. If they use no product on your hair, if all they do is sit down like at the old-time barbershop and they just cut your hair and you go, that's a pure service. Price, how much you're going to pay for something. The place where it's located, how that you can purchase it. And promotion, how did you know about it? STP stands for segmentation, targeting, and position. And then finally, the 5 C's stands for customer, company, context, collaboration, competitors. And we'll go into more detail of all these in the later chapter.